Okay, for your warm-up today, we're doing page 118 in your Star Master book, Thursday, January 14th. Number 1 says, what is the perimeter of the regular hexagon? When it says regular, that means it is a shape that has all equal sides. Okay, so if it gives you just 1 5, that means you need to put the 5 on all of the sides. Okay? Okay, I can add up or skip count all those 5s. I could also do 6 times 5. Where am I getting 6 from?
Shape.
Evangeline?
There's 6 sides.
Good, there's 6 sides. Okay, good. So the 6 is coming from the number of sides. I have 6 equal sides, so all I have to do is multiply. That would give me 30. So C would have been your correct answer. Okay, number 2. The Lopez family is planning to put a rectangular pool in their backyard. The perimeter of the pool is 60 feet. The width of the pool is question mark. We don't know. So I know if a 20 is here, then the 20 also needs to go down below. Okay? So we're missing these 2 numbers. Okay? These are the problems we struggle with, so pay attention. What do we do first to find the missing side? Allie?
Add all the sides, then subtract them with 60.
Okay, add the sides we know, which is 20 plus 20. That's step 1. Step 2 is to, good, subtract it from the perimeter. The perimeter was 60. So I need to do 60 minus 40. What would that equal? 20. Okay, but I'm still not done. Aaliyah, what's that last step? Divide it by 2. And what is the reason we do that, class? Why do I need to take that number and split it in half?
Because it's 2 missing sides.
2 missing sides. Good. So I need to take 20 and split it up between both of these sides. What is half of 20? 10. Good. So 10 would be our missing side. 10 and 10. We can just check real quick to make sure it adds up to 60. So I have 20, 40, 50, 60. So our missing side would be a 10. Okay, number 3. The perimeter of the square baseball field at Josh's school is 360 feet. How long is each side of the field? Okay, so we need to figure out what each of these sides are, and they're all the same, right? Because it's a square. Right?
Yes.
It said square, right? Square baseball field. Okay, so I need to figure out the missing number, and I would multiply that missing number by 4 to get 360. Where is this 4 coming from?
The 4 sides.
4 sides, good. If they're all the same, then I can multiply. Just like over here, all these sides were the same, so I multiplied it by 6. Okay? So we need to figure out what number we can multiply by 4 to get 360. Well, I know it's going to have a 0 on the end. Okay? So I'm going to take the 0 out. That might help. Okay? So now I'm going to ask myself what number times 4 would give me 36. If you're not sure, what could you do? There's a couple of different things you could do. Kelsey? You can skip count by 4s until you get to 36. We could use our answer choices, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I could use these, plug them in, and see if I multiply by 4, if it gives me 360. Okay? Now I'm just going to skip by 4 until I get to 36. So that's 4, 8, 12, 16. What comes next?
18,
No. 20,
24,
24,
28,
32, and 36. Okay, now I count how many times I skipped. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 skips. Okay, do we see a number here that has a 9?
yes.
Yes, so it's 90. I took out the 0, so I could just skip to 36. Okay. Okay, so you could have done it that way, multiplying by 4, or you could have used your answer choices. Just plug those in, 40 plus 40 plus 40 plus 40, or 40 times 4. See if that gives you 360.
90.
Okay. Number 4, Mrs. Wilson is making a birthday cake for her daughter, Lisa. The recipe suggests using a 13 by 9 inch pan. What is the perimeter of the pan in inches? Okay, so we want to know the perimeter of the pan. It's 13 by 9. What would I do? Kelsey?
You would put 13 on the bottom,
Mm-hmm.
and then put 9 on the other side,
Good.
and add those up.
Add them all up, okay? 13 plus 13,
It's 26.
good, 26. 9 plus 9, 18, good. 6 plus 8 is 14. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 plus 1, 44. Okay. Make sure you put them in the boxes correctly. So we have 44. It's over here next to the decimal. And then you bubble in underneath. Okay? Any questions on that, on your warm-up this morning? You guys doing okay with perimeter?
Yes.
Okay, I think the main ones that we probably mess up on are these. Did we get this one right today?
Yes. No. I got the 20 and 20 right, but
Did we get this one right?
yes.
Okay, good.
That was easy.
All right, good. So we are still on 3D shapes. So we're going to work on that next.